Did you know it's possible to earn money while you're sleeping? No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, it's the reality of passive income. And today I'm going to share 6 legit proven ideas that anyone in America can start right now. So if you're ready to have money flowing into your account 24/7, grab a notepad and let's build your financial freedom plan together. Let's set the stage. Passive income is all about earning money with minimal daily effort after an initial setup. It's what gives you time, control, and flexibility. Imagine waking up to new dollars in your account before you even have your morning coffee. But let's be real, true passive income takes some work upfront. You'll need to invest either time, effort, or capital to get the engine started. But once these systems are in place, they keep earning for you with very little daily input, letting you focus on what really matters, whether that's your family, your health, or your next big project. So let's break down 6 real passive income strategies that are working for people all across America right now. I'll walk you through the practical steps and give you some bonus tips to maximize your earnings along the way. First up, and one of the most timeless passive income ideas, is investing in dividend stocks. It's simpler than you might think. When you buy shares in America's top companies, think giants like Coca-Cola, Apple, or Johnson & Johnson, they literally pay you a piece of their profits on a regular basis. How does it work? Every quarter, a cash payment, called a dividend, lands directly in your brokerage account. It's automatic cash just for owning the shares. But here's where we level up with an advanced strategy, using dividend reinvestment plans or DRIPs. A DRIP automatically takes those dividends you receive and uses them to buy more shares of the same stock. Over time, your income grows exponentially because of compounding. You're earning dividends on your original investment and on the new shares your dividends bought. Smart investors set up DRIPs, let their portfolios grow, and watch their income stream get bigger and bigger year after year without lifting a finger. A quick hack here. Make sure you choose a low-fee brokerage and use a portfolio tracker app to watch your income grow. It's incredibly motivating. Okay, strategy number 2, real estate crowdfunding and REITs. Don't have $100,000 sitting around to buy a property? No problem. With platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet, you can start investing in American real estate with as little as $10. It's incredible. These platforms pool your money with thousands of other investors to purchase large-scale properties like apartment buildings, office complexes, and even vacation homes. You then earn monthly or quarterly payouts from the rental income, all without ever having to unclog a toilet or find a tenant. Alternatively, you can invest in REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. You can buy shares of these just like a stock right from your brokerage account. REITs own and operate massive portfolios of income-producing real estate, and they're legally required to pay out most of their profits as dividends, which means they often have really high yields. With both crowdfunding and REITs, the process is streamlined. You sign up, pick an investment that aligns with your goals, track everything on a simple dashboard, and collect that sweet, passive rental income. A pro tip here is to diversify your investment across several different funds or REITs to ensure stability and potentially increase your returns. Now for our third strategy, one with massive scalability, creating and selling digital products. Do you have a special skill, knowledge, or a creative talent? You can turn that into an asset that pays you over and over again. Think about creating an ebook, an online course, or even something as simple as digital planners or art prints. You can list them on platforms like Amazon Kindle for ebooks, Udemy for courses, or Etsy for printables. Once your product is live, every single sale puts money directly into your wallet, even at 3 a.m. while you're fast asleep. The beauty of digital products is that, unlike physical goods, there's no shipping, no stocking inventory, and no manual delivery. You build it once, and you can sell it forever. Successful creators find a topic that people are actively searching for. They research trending keywords, and they really niche down to serve a specific audience. A weekend of focused work can turn into a lifetime of royalties. A quick hack: remember to update your content every year or so. This keeps it fresh, relevant, and helps maintain strong sales as trends and algorithms change. Moving on to number 4, print-on-demand e-commerce. Have you ever wanted to sell your own line of t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, but got scared off by the idea of buying and storing inventory? Print-on-demand is the solution. With sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, You can simply upload your designs and let the platform handle everything else. When someone places an order, the platform prints your design onto the product and ships it directly to the customer. It's completely hands-off for you. Your job is to focus on what you do best, creating eye-catching, niche-focused designs. Think about underserved or trending niches: dog lovers, computer geeks, fans of a specific sport, you name it. The key is to test new ideas regularly to see what sticks. A pro tip: you don't need to be a graphic designer. You can use free tools like Canva or learn basics in Photoshop to create great designs. And keep an eye on what's trending sometimes. A viral meme can turn into a best-selling t-shirt overnight. Alright, let's talk about the simplest option on our list. Strategy number 5. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. This is the definition of making your money work for you. Many online banks in America are now paying interest rates that can be 10, 20, or even 30 times higher than what you get at a big, traditional brick-and-mortar bank. By simply switching your savings account or setting up automatic transfers, you can significantly boost your earnings with zero extra effort. All you have to do is park your cash and let it grow. Take a few minutes each month to review the latest rates and move your money to the best option available. Compound interest will take care of the rest, quietly growing your savings in the background. A great hack for this is to use auto-transfer tools. Set it up so a portion of your paycheck automatically moves into your high-yield account. You'll never forget, and you'll never miss out on that extra interest. And finally, strategy number 6, affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, an Instagram account, a YouTube channel, or even just a strong social media presence, affiliate marketing can be a passive income powerhouse. The concept is simple. You sign up with affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Rakuten, or with individual software companies. You then share your unique referral links in your content. When someone in your audience clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You can create honest product reviews, how-to guides, or best of lists. Many successful bloggers started out just sharing their hobbies and ended up making thousands of dollars a month as their audience grew and their SEO improved. Here's an advanced tip. Look for affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions. Things like web hosting or online subscriptions pay you every single month that your referral remains a customer. This creates a truly long-term residual income stream. Every one of these strategies starts as a trickle, maybe just a few dollars from dividends, a single online sale, or a couple of small commissions. But consistency is what builds that trickle into a stream. Automation is what amplifies your results. Be patient, keep experimenting, and celebrate every single win, no matter how small. Remember to automate wherever possible. Use those drips, set up scheduled bank transfers, or even use AI tools to help with content creation and posting. And diversify. Combine at least 2 or 3 of these passive income streams to balance your risk and boost your overall earnings. Finally, track everything. Use finance and analytics apps to make sure you're growing month after month. Passive income isn't instant, and it does come with some risk. Real estate returns can fluctuate. Digital products need marketing, and affiliate payouts depend on your audience. But those who persist, adapt, and learn from their mistakes are the ones who unlock real, life-changing results. If you're still watching, let me know in the comments, which passive income idea excites you the most? Be sure to like and subscribe if you want future videos where we go deeper on each one of these topics. And please, share this with a friend who's also chasing financial freedom. Here's your challenge before the weekend. Pick one of these strategies. Just one. Research it tonight, take the very first step tomorrow, and then track your progress for the next 30 days. Thank you so much for watching. Now go build your streams of income so you can earn while you sleep and start living life on your terms.